Will you press the button if Luffy becomes Pirate King, but his crewmates die? Ace comes back to life, but Luffy loses his rubber powers. Usopp becomes truly brave, but no one ever believes him again. Zoro defeats Mihawk, but never returns to the crew. Will you press the button? Frankie builds a new ship, but the Sunny is gone forever. Will you press the button if Brook regains his body, but forgets the crew? Frankie becomes Admiral level, but loses his personality. Usopp gains Conqueror's Haki, but he becomes the crew captain. Chopper becomes human, but forgets how to heal. Will you press the button? Robin revives O'Hara, but one Egghead Island gets destroyed. Will you press the button if Luffy defeats Emu but dies right after? Sanji marries Nami, but he can never cook again. Brook meets Laboon, but never sings again. Will you press the button? Zoro finds Kuina alive, but loses other eye as well. Sanji gets infinite strength, but gives up women forever. Nami gets a power to control the weather, but she loses her figure. Will you press the button? Usopp becomes a legend, but Luffy will be forgotten. Frankie builds Pluton, but it destroys Water 7. Luffy gets eternal life, but watches all his friends grow old. Robin erases the world government, but becomes a criminal everywhere. Nami gets unlimited treasure, but she quits the crew. What's your thoughts on this? Will she quit the group for the sake of money? Tell me in the comments. Brook can bring back one person, but loses his soul in return. Zoro can cut through time, but ages 10 years with each cut. Sanji defeats Kizaru, but loses both his legs. Robin gets immortality, but forgets her past. Will you press the button if Luffy gets Roger's full memory, but forgets his own journey? Zoro learns learns a secret sword technique, but only uses it on Sanji. Luffy defeats Blackbeard, but loses his left arm. Nami controls the Sea Kings, but lose interest in gold.